Welcome. In the next few minutes, you will discover how MyPrivate helps you as a family to manage all things that matter most. A regular workflow ensures you will always be up to date with administration and payments. On weekdays you use MyPrivate to acquire all types of incoming documents. The software guides you through the digitizing, classification, and allocation process. On Sundays, you generate recurring payments and send e-banking instructions to your bank for all invoices due. At month-end, you retrieve account statements from your bank. MyPrivate performs automatic reconciliation of payments and allocates other costs to the appropriate accounts. At the end of the year, balance sheet valuations are updated and financial reports are generated. Once per year, you establish a budget, with quarterly reviews and adjustments. During the first quarter, taxes are being filed, with MyPrivate providing supporting source documents and financial transaction detail. This covers the standard end-to-end administrative process. It is complemented by a range of optional family performance improvement projects. The processing of incoming documents is best done on a regular basis, and should not take more than 10 minutes per day. Swiss QR codes, IBAN, and BIC are automatically recognized for you. Documents are acquired from Outlook, from scanner, through mobile phone, or from a folder. Supplier invoices, credit card invoices, card payments, and direct debits can be processed through the system. The allocation table is maintained automatically for you, and determines the cost object and cost type. Simply choose the corresponding entry from the list and MyPrivate posts the entry to the appropriate module, including the original document. Payment runs are typically performed once per week. Recurring payments are reviewed and generated prior to the payment run itself. After selection of the payments, MyPrivate generates a report of the invoices to be paid, and the corresponding e-banking file. The payment run is completed by uploading the instructions into your bank portal for execution. Account reconciliation is best done on a monthly basis. You can download the account statements including actual closing balances from your bank into MyPrivate. Outgoing payments previously sent to the bank are automatically reconciled. Pattern-based rules determine the appropriate account for unreconciled entries. The difference between the actual and the theoretical balance is automatically calculated. It represents the tail of spend and consists of multiple smaller card payments, not worth recording. At year-end, the closing valuations for assets and liabilities are validated and frozen. The incoming and outgoing cash report provides insight into how cash was obtained and spent during the year. The net worth report analyzes its evolution of the family for the year. MyPrivate also calculates 16 financial household ratios, supported by a reference benchmark providing hints towards excess risk or prudence. For couples that keep their assets separate, the Asset Ownership Report allows for easy review of the distribution of assets and liabilities between the two partners. This document can be printed and signed if needed. The budget process leverages previous year data to initialize next year's budget. The first section plans incoming and outgoing cash, setting the plan for the family's liquidity position. The second section calculates the impact of the budget on the family's net worth, by adjusting for cash used for investments and divestments. Each section of the budget is supported by a detailed set of analytics throughout the respective modules. Configurable tax grids are defined across jurisdictions and currencies to reflect the family's situation. The integrated checklist provides a structured approach to collect the required documents available in MyPrivate. These can be exported to an Excel index with embedded documents as supporting evidence for the tax authorities. They include tax-deductible spend, tax credits from withheld tax on interest, and tax withheld on stock dividends. This concludes the regular process. It will meet the needs of most families. We will conclude this video with an overview of additional performance improvement projects available to you. Your insurance portfolio can be analyzed and benchmarked. Realistic projections of income after retirement can be viewed. Total cost of ownership, with breakdown by income, spend and investment can be analyzed. Rental revenue, occupancy, and average rates can be tracked. Investment portfolios, with automatic stock price updates, can be managed. Collectibles can be categorized, assessed, and documented using professional taxonomies for many types of objects. Household personnel can be managed, including payroll, taxes, and social security. The family's carbon footprint, which is automatically calculated, provides actionable insights where it matters most. That's it for this short presentation. MyPrivate offers 30 modules that cover all aspects of family life, and is easy to install and easy to run.